Imagine a factory floor, a place once filled with the sounds of heavy machinery and the hustle and bustle of workers. But forget the clang of hammers and the roar of machinery. Instead, envision a serene environment where the noise is replaced by the hum of advanced technology. Picture robots moving with precision, their mechanical arms assembling products with unmatched accuracy and speed. These robots don't work in isolation. They collaborate seamlessly with skilled humans, each complementing the other's strengths. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of modern manufacturing, where human ingenuity meets robotic efficiency. Industrial automation has transformed the landscape, making processes faster, more reliable, and highly efficient. Gone are the days of repetitive manual labor. The monotonous tasks that once required human effort are now handled by machines. Advanced robotics and sophisticated software are taking center stage, performing complex tasks that were once thought impossible. These technologies are not just enhancing productivity, they are reshaping the entire industrial landscape, making it more dynamic and innovative. This new era of manufacturing is about harnessing the power of technology. It's about integrating smart systems that can adapt and evolve. It's about creating smarter, more efficient, and safer working environments. Safety protocols are enhanced and efficiency is maximized. Let's delve into the world of industrial automation and explore its profound impact on the future of industry. From the way we produce goods to the way we think about manufacturing, the changes are revolutionary. Industrial automation is, at its core, the use of technology to control industrial processes. It's about replacing human intervention with automated systems. These systems can range from simple mechanical devices to complex software algorithms. Think of a car assembly line. Robots perform welding and painting tasks with accuracy and speed. Conveyor belts move parts seamlessly through the production process. This is industrial automation in action. The goal is to increase efficiency, productivity, and safety. Automation allows manufacturers to produce goods faster, with less waste, and at a lower cost. It's about optimizing processes and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. The journey of industrial automation is a fascinating tale of human ingenuity, innovation, and relentless pursuit of efficiency. It's a story of continuous innovation, from the early mechanization of the Industrial Revolution to the sophisticated digital systems of today. The transformation has been nothing short of revolutionary, impacting every aspect of manufacturing and production. The invention of the steam engine in the 18th century marked a turning point. This powerful machine not only revolutionized transportation, but also became the heart of early factories, driving machinery and enabling mass production. It paved the way for the mechanization of factories and the mass production of goods. Factories could now produce items on a scale never seen before, drastically reducing costs and making products more accessible to the masses. The late 19th and 20th centuries saw the rise of electricity and the assembly line, further revolutionizing manufacturing. Electricity brought a new level of efficiency and safety, while the assembly line, popularized by Henry Ford, allowed for unprecedented speed and consistency in production. The development of programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, in the 1960s marked a significant leap forward. These devices allowed for precise control and automation of complex manufacturing processes, reducing human error and increasing productivity. PLCs enabled the creation of more complex and flexible automated systems. Factories could now adapt quickly to changing demands and produce a wider variety of products with greater efficiency. This paved the way for the computer-controlled factories we see today. Modern factories are equipped with advanced digital control systems, allowing for real-time monitoring and optimization of production processes, ensuring maximum efficiency and quality. The benefits of industrial automation are vast and far-reaching. Increased efficiency is a primary driver. Automated systems can work tirelessly, 24/7, without breaks or fatigue. This leads to higher production rates and faster turnaround times. Safety is another crucial advantage. Robots and automated machinery can perform dangerous or hazardous tasks, protecting human workers from potential harm. This is particularly important in industries like mining and manufacturing, where safety is paramount. Automation also leads to cost reduction. By optimizing processes and reducing waste, manufacturers can lower their operating costs and increase profitability. Improved quality control is another key benefit, as automated systems can maintain consistency and precision in production. Section 5. Tailored automation industry-specific applications. The beauty of industrial automation lies in its adaptability. It can be tailored to meet the specific needs of various industries. In automotive manufacturing, robots perform welding, painting, and assembly tasks with precision and speed. In the food processing industry, automation ensures hygiene and consistency in production. Automated systems handle everything from sorting and packaging to quality control. Pharmaceutical companies rely on automation for precise drug discovery, development, and manufacturing processes. Robots handle delicate tasks, ensuring sterile environments and minimizing the risk of contamination. Section 6. The future is now AI, IoT, and the next industrial leap. The future of industrial automation is exciting and filled with possibilities. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things are poised to revolutionize manufacturing further. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize production processes, predict maintenance needs, and improve decision-making. Machine learning algorithms enable robots to learn from experience and adapt to changing environments. The IoT connects machines, sensors, and devices, creating a seamless flow of information and enabling real-time monitoring and control of industrial processes. This interconnectedness paves the way for smarter, more efficient and data-driven manufacturing. Section 7. Navigating the automation landscape: challenges and considerations. While the benefits of industrial automation are undeniable, it's important to acknowledge the challenges that come with this technological shift. Automation can significantly enhance productivity, efficiency, and safety in manufacturing processes, but it also brings a set of unique hurdles that must be carefully managed. One significant concern is the potential for job displacement. As machines and robots take over repetitive and manual tasks, there is a fear that many workers may find themselves out of work. This can lead to economic and social challenges, particularly in communities heavily reliant on manufacturing jobs. As automation replaces certain tasks, some workers may need to adapt their skills or transition to new roles. This requires comprehensive retraining programs and a commitment to lifelong learning. Companies must invest in their workforce to ensure they can thrive in an automated environment. The high cost of implementing automation technologies can be a barrier for some businesses, particularly smaller companies. The initial investment in advanced machinery, software, and training can be substantial, and not all businesses have the financial resources to make this leap. Integrating these systems into existing infrastructure requires careful planning and investment. Businesses must consider how new technologies will fit with their current processes and what modifications are necessary to accommodate them. This often involves a significant upfront cost and a period of adjustment. Technical complexity is another challenge. The sophisticated nature of automated systems means that they require a high level of expertise to design, install, and maintain. This can be a daunting task for companies without a strong technical background. Designing, installing, and maintaining automated systems requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Companies may need to hire new talent or invest in training their existing employees to handle these advanced technologies effectively. Addressing these challenges will be crucial for harnessing the full potential of industrial automation. By acknowledging and planning for these obstacles, businesses can better navigate the transition to an automated future, ensuring that they remain competitive and innovative in a rapidly evolving landscape. Section 8. Humans and Machines: a collaborative future in manufacturing. The future of work in manufacturing is not about robots replacing humans. It's about humans and machines working together, each leveraging their strengths to create a more productive and efficient future. Humans bring creativity, problem-solving skills, and adaptability to the table. Robots provide precision, endurance, and the ability to perform repetitive tasks. By embracing this collaborative approach, we can unlock new possibilities in manufacturing. As we venture further into the age of industrial automation, let's embrace the opportunities it presents. Let's work together to create a future where technology empowers human potential and drives progress in manufacturing.